Miele 360 Pro, the system solution for holistic hygiene in your medical practice. ENT medicine places special requirements on instrument reprocessing due to the wide range of instruments as well as typical organic contaminants and medical ointments involved. Miele offers an all-round solution for cleaning, disinfection, sterilisation and process documentation, tailored precisely to your needs. Miele washer-disinfectors are renowned for their reliability, large capacity and perfect results. Special inserts and adapters for ENT instruments can be assembled in a modular fashion to provide individual reprocessing solutions. Specially developed ENT programs successfully remove specific residues such as secretions and ointments from the instruments. Process chemicals are tailored to the program to support effective and particularly gentle cleaning. A routine control product provides additional safety. Miele sterilisers are easy to operate and save time. A standard load can be sterilised and perfectly dried in just 30 minutes. Miele also offers various solutions for water treatment, for the steriliser alone or in combination with a washer-disinfector. Data Diary, the Miele app for process documentation, makes it easy to meet regulatory requirements and to archive data for a long time. Miele Move is our newest digital solution for an efficient machine, data and process management. It contains services which make your practice life easier. Miele 360 Pro also helps you in other areas of your everyday practice, and our highly qualified service teams are there to support you. Miele's range of sustainably focused solutions can save you time, effort and valuable resources, protecting our planet, increasing patient satisfaction and the profitability of your practice. Protect your investment with Miele, everything from a single source.